In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Open the glove box. On the sides right here, you just push in on both sides, lower the glove box down a little bit. On the side, you want to remove this damper, just pop it off like that. Grab the glove box and slide it out. On the two sides, just push in, and you're going to pull out and slide the cabin filter out slowly. There might be some debris in there. And just grab the filter, push it up, and slide it out. Take the new filter, slide it underneath these clips. Just like that, make sure it's all smooth. And we'll slide it in position. Lock it down. Take the glove box, slide the clips in the back, just like that. Connect the damper, and just squeeze the glove box towards the center a little bit, and close it up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.